Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy oat cookies. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget half a cup of softened butter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. These basic items are all you need to start baking delicious treats in about 25 minutes. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and brown sugar for about 2 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Next, beat in the large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until everything is perfectly combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, then gently fold in the 1 1/2 cups of rolled oats. Your dough is almost ready. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a tablespoon, drop rounded portions of your delicious oat cookie dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure to leave about 2 inches between each cookie so they have plenty of room to spread evenly. Bake them for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges turn a beautiful golden brown. This ensures a perfectly chewy center and crisp edges. Once your cookies are out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them set and prevents crumbling. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. These delightful oat cookies are absolutely delicious served warm with a glass of milk or at room temperature. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days to maintain their freshness. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.